equations. Myself Subhendra Bhatnani, lecturer in mathematics. Today I am discuss the topic general form of first order linear differential equations. So, firstly, what is linear differential equations? First order is here given that first order, that means linear that means only degree or order is 1. Okay, so the general form of first order linear differential equation is dy by dx plus p of y equals to q. Here in the given differential equation dy by dx, that means p is the form of, here p is the form of p of x and q is the, that means x is the variable now. Okay, so in the general form of a first order linear differential equations, we have to find out the integrating factor firstly. What is integrating factor? Integrating factor equals to, here e of power integrations of p of x dx. That is the integrating factor. Okay, alright. Now we have the solutions of these general equations. Now multiplying the integrating factor in these equations. Okay, alright. Now multiplying this. So now d by dx of integrating factor is the multiply of y equals to q into integrating factor. Okay, alright. So solution of this equation is, now firstly convert the variable factor d of integrating factor into y equals to q into integrating factor of dx. Now integrating both sides, so value is here, integrations of d of integrating factor into y equals to q into integrating factor of dx of integrations. That is the general solution of a first order linear differential equations. Okay, alright. I am just examples of these linear differential equations. Suppose a question, solve dy by dx plus y equals to e to power minus x. Okay, e to power minus x. So firstly, given differential equation is linear or not. Okay, that is the most important part. So firstly, given data dy by dx plus of y equals to e to power minus of x. This is a linear differential equation because it is the form of dy by dx. Here 1 is the p of x. Okay, e to power minus x in the q of x. So this is a linear differential equations. Okay, now we have to find out integrating factor. Here integrating factor is integrations of, here in the y the coefficient is 1, so that 1 of dx. So here p of x is 1. Now this value equals to e to power dx or e to power x is the integrating factor. Okay, so now multiplying this integrating factor in the given differential equations. So in the directly d by dx of y into e to power of x equals to e to power minus x into e to power of x. Okay, alright. So this value implies that here the value is d of y e to power of x equals to e to power minus x into power x, value is 1, so 1 into dx. Now integrating both sides, d of y e to power of x equals to dx of integrations. In the integration, d of something value is something, so value is here y e to power x equals to x plus of c. So now this implies y equals to, the solution is now x divided by e to power x, that means e to power x into e to power minus x plus c into e to power minus. That is the general solution of a given differential equations. Okay. Alright. Another form of, suppose your variable changes. Or another question I will discuss this type. Question is, suppose solve x square minus of 1 of dy by dx plus 2xy equals to 1. Okay. Now answer is here. Firstly, x square minus of 1 dy by dx plus 2xy equals to 1. Now divided this factor both sides, so value is here dy by dx plus 2xy divided by x square minus of 1 by x square minus of 1. Okay, this is a linear differential, this is a linear differential equation. Okay, now here p of x is here 2x divided by x square minus of 1 in the y factor. In the y factor, leave that, and next 2x by x square minus of 1 is the p of x here. Q of x is okay 1 by x square minus of 1. So in the integrating factor now find out e to power 2x by x square minus of 1 of dx integrations. So e to power ln of x square minus of 1. So value is here x square minus of 1. In the logarithm functions, exponential function is the power of logarithm, so variable here now. Okay. So nextly, multiplying this integrating factor with the given equation, so value is now d by dx of x square minus of 1 y into x square minus of 1 equals to here 1 by x square minus 1 in the multiplier factor, that means 1. Now this value implies that d of y of x square minus of 1 equals to dx, 1 into dx. Now integrating both sides, d of y x square minus of 1 equals to integration of dx. So value is here y of x square minus of 1, here x, then c. This implies that y equals to x by x square minus of 1 plus c divided by x square minus of 1, the general solutions. Okay, general solution. Another part, suppose the general linear, the first order, the linear differential equation is the form of, suppose dx by dy plus p of x equals to suppose q. In this way, in this factor, the d by dx with respect to d by dy here now. Previous linear differential d by dx. Okay, so here p of y and q of y. So here y is the variable factor indeed. Okay, so now we have to similarly find out the integrating factor. So value is now e to power p of y of dy integrations. Okay, So generally multiply this integrating factor d by dy of x into integrating factor equals to q into integrating factor. Then d of x of into integrating factor equals to q into integrating factor. Okay, alright. Of dx. Now integrating both sides. X into integrating factor equals to q into integrating factor of integration. That is the general solution of this type of linear differential equation. So I am just give examples of this type. Suppose your question is solve dx by dy plus x equals to e to power minus y. Okay. The given data put here now dx by dy plus x equals to e to power minus y. This is a linear differential equations. Okay. Now here p of y equals to 1, u of y equals to e to power minus y. Okay. Now we have to find out the integrating factor here. E to power p of y, that means 1 into dy is. Okay. So value is e to power y. I want to now solve this in the multiplying this integrating factor in the given equations. So value is d by dy of x into e to power y equals to e to power minus y into e to power of y. So value is now d of x e to power y or 1 into dy. Okay, now integrating both sides. So value is d of x e to power y equals to dy integrations. Value is here x of e to power of y equals to y plus c. So the general solution is x equals to y e to power minus y plus c e to power minus y. That is the general solution of this type of linear differential. Okay, today I have discussed two variety of linear differential equations in the first order. Okay, and some solutions. So subscribe my channel and like and share. The next video is given to you, or any problem or any doubt, comments my channel. Thank you.